to show you how to make honey garlic wings. It's such a fun recipe. It's so easy and all of my clients love it. I have clients that request it all the time.
The star of this dish is the garlic. Please use freshly minced garlic, not the garlic in the jar. Other than that, we need wings, kosher salt, white pepper, olive oil, honey, the garlic that we were just chopping, freshly chopped parsley, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. Before we start seasoning the wings, go ahead and preheat your oven to 450 degrees, but we want these wings to cook fairly fast, and we also want them to get a nice brown crisp on them. Alright, now let's go ahead and move on to seasoning our meat. Make sure you season everything generously and evenly. Also, don't go too crazy with the salt because we are going to add a little bit of soy sauce to the wings later, so that's going to add in some sodium. But otherwise, season everything generously and evenly. Just, get a lot of flavor in there. So now that everything is seasoned generously, we're going to transfer the wings back to the pan. And if you have a lot of wings, make sure that all of the wings are spread out in one layer on the pan. You don't want them to be crowded because then they'll just end up steaming. Roast your wings in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. If you're enjoying this video so far, comment below and let me know what other recipes you would like to see from me. After 15 minutes, transfer the wings to a clean mixing bowl and toss them in honey and soy sauce. We're going to add these back to the sheet pan and throw them back in the oven for about 10 to 15 more minutes until the wings have crisped up a little bit more and the honey has turned into a glaze. Wings look so good. If you've made it this far into the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more easy recipes like this one. This is when I knew these wings were about to be fire. It was right here when I was pouring the sauce on them.
Okay, so we finally finished. These wings look really good. And now it's time for the taste test. I'm a flats girl, so I'm gonna get a flat. Let's see. Yep. I'm gonna fill up the sauce. Really good. Remember to check the description box for any links to equipment that you've seen me use in this video, as well as my Instagram handle and my website.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more easy recipes.